Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have another jewelry piece that I found on Aliexpress that I definitely want to share. And as you can see, it is a ring. It's a replica from a Thomas Sabo ring from the Rebel at Heart collection, I think. And yeah, I was curious to see what this is all about and what it actually will look like. So here we are. It is the studded cross ring. So we got a silver ring with this blackish cross in the centerpiece with the little stones. And yeah, it does look quite like the original one. It feels a little lighter, which is not necessarily bad, but as you can see, everything is nicely made. It's like really clean lining, and the stones look good. I mean, probably they are on the cheaper side compared to the real Thomas Sabo, but as you can see, it's got a stamp. There's silver included in here. Um, yeah, and it looks really, really good. Feels good in the weight wise, and it just looks pretty much like the real one, except we're missing the branding, which is not necessarily a bad thing. Fits well, and as you can see, I mean, I think it looks really nice, um, especially for around 10 bucks that we paid instead of the 120, which it originally cost, I think. At least an outlet is, so it might be even more expensive if you buy it in a real store. Um, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I feel like this is definitely a really nice piece. Here's a real Tomasawa one. As you can see, the silver might be a little bit darker. Um, Maybe that's just because the other ring is a little worn already. The stones are a little bit bigger than what Tomasawa uses, I guess. But yeah, you have to look close to see those differences here, and you have to have them side by side, otherwise you're not gonna be noticing. I feel like they did skip the top here, which is not necessarily super bad. Really don't mind that. Um, but yeah, size-wise, seems like they're all the same. Here's another original one. Um, Feels just like your average Tomosawa ring. You can combine them. You can't really tell there's one which is fake. So that's gonna be it, you guys. So if that's something you're interested in and you want to save some money, feel free to check out the link in the description, and yeah, feel free to do whatever you want with it. Feel what you are feeling and do what you're liking. So I think I will call this a day. Not much more to say about this piece. So my name is Badger. Take care, you guys. Have a good day. Until next time. And I'm out, and that's it. Bye bye.